Hi, my name is Dawn and this is my review of this root feeder. We're going to first open it up and just take a look at the components, and then a little bit later we'll actually get it set up and see how it works. I was provided this product for review. Now opening it up, this is a container for being able to add a fertilizer. A lot of similar products don't have this, which is really great. So this would allow you to add a water-soluble fertilizer to this component. You've got a pair of working gloves in here, little gardening gloves. You've got the valve for attaching the fertilizer and the hose to the stand itself. You've got some plumbing tape in here to make sure that those joints don't leak when you put everything together. You've got the instructions and also a list of what should be included in the box. And then if we pull out the root watering system itself, so again, we're going to put the plumber's tape here on it before we screw this in together. Note that on the rod, it does give you 5-inch, 10-inch, 15-inch, so you know how deep into the ground you're going. Also here at the end, you'll see this is where the water will actually come out to dispense into the ground. And then here at the top, we've got the handle for being able to twist this into place. And then also, again, this is where we'll connect everything. So this is a stainless steel product, so it's not going to rust on you. And this again allows you to be able to water a tree or a plant at the root versus from the surface, from the ground level. Really helpful for times of year where you may be experiencing drought, and or if you're trying to establish a new tree. Also could be a really ideal product to use. I could even see this if you might be one of those people who has a giant planter like out on your patio. This could also work in a situation like that too. So again, we're going to get everything put together. We'll demo it for you. Thanks for hanging in there, watching the demo, and I would recommend this product.